Hi everyone, I'm Christina. Welcome to AISQbusiness. Today we are going to take a look at how to create social media posts using AISQ Next Level Marketing AI and how to schedule those posts with the help of Squirrly Social. So let's do that. Let's first log in inside AISQ Next Level Marketing AI. We are going to write our username and our password and click over here on login. In a new tab, I'm going to log in inside Squirrly Social. We have to write our username and our password and click over here on login. Okay, now let's go back inside AISQ Next Level Marketing AI. Go over here to Content Queue in order to choose an article to create the social media posts for. After you have selected the article that you want to create the social media posts for, you are going to click over here at New Social Media Creation Task. Then you have some options over here, like how long the social media post should be. You can also include the main content as reference and include the content link. Over here, you can add multiple social media post groups, like so. You can have up to 3. For each social media post group, you can change the settings. Like so. Over here is going to let us know how much this is going to cost us. And then click over here to add new social media posts. Click over here. And now we can see that the social media assistant is working on the task. We can see it right here that is writing. And now that it needs our input. So let's click over here and read the social media posts. We have received 3 posts per social media post group. We have 3 social media post groups because this is what we have selected. And over here we can see the number of characters that we have selected for each post group. Like so. You can, of course, add the social media posts over here, like add some emojis if you want to, and so on, spaces and whatever you may want. Once you're happy with your messages, you can simply click over here. Then we are going to publish them through Squirrly Social. So let's click over here. Now we have to select where inside Squirrly Social those post groups that we have just created with AISQ Next Level Marketing AI will go. We can see over here the post groups. By opening the tab of Squirrly Social and going over here to post groups, I can see my post groups over here. So let's go back to AISQ Next Level Marketing AI and select the post group. For the first one, I'm going to leave General. For the second one, I'm going to leave News and Insights. And just so you can see that everything works perfectly, for the last one, I'm going to choose Promotions. And now I'm going to click over here to approve messages. By going to Squirrly Social tab and refreshing the page, we can see over here the social media posts that were just created using AISQ Next Level Marketing AI. I have sent the first post group to the General over here, the second one to News and Insights, we can see them over here, and the last one I sent them to Promotions, we can see them over here. By staying on first one, on General, we can see over here the profiles that those messages are going to be sent to and when, on what days and at what time. We can change those settings from over here, profiles and repetitions. We can select where to send them over here, like so, and we can have a default status as draft or as approved. By having them as approved over here, the messages that you are creating in AISQ Next Level Marketing AI and sending them through Squirrly Social are going to be visible in the approved section. Let's click on Save over here in the approved section. So those messages are going to be sent on those days, at those hours, to those social media profiles. By clicking over here to schedule, we can select the days and the time. By clicking on this button, we can add a new time and we can click over here to remove. Let's click on save. You can click over here to edit the message. We can see the message over here. We can also edit the image by clicking over here and then clicking over here and over here. Now we have uploaded a new image and we can simply click over here to use in post and click over here to update. And we can see the post like so. Let me once again go over here to schedule so I can change the time over here in order to show you that the post that we have created with AISQ Next Level Marketing AI will actually go to our social media profiles. So I have to select a time that is relevant for me right now. Like so, and click on save. Now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, now that the time has passed, let's refresh this page. And now we can see that we have only 2 social media posts left in the approve over here. By clicking over here to finish sending, we can see our social media post over here. And now by going to our Facebook page, like so, we can see our post over here. By going to our Instagram page, like so, we can see our post over here, like so. And by going to our X profile, we can see our post over here, like so. So we know that everything works perfectly. You can create social media messages with the help of AISQ Next Level Marketing AI by clicking on the social media assistant. You can then send them to Squirrly Social, like so. And then, according to the settings that you have made, you are going to be able to see them to the profiles you have sent them. For example, to Facebook, to Instagram, and to X. So, thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.